Hey guys, Alexander here, back again on CryptoCoin Express. So for those of you who are into the crypto space, you might want to know exactly what futures trading, as it is one of the core thing to be known and learned if you are getting into deep on cryptocurrency world. Futures trading has been around for a long time on crypto space and has been having a huge users among exchanges. So why is it so popularly used? Because with futures trading you can easily make money in short-term wise. But before that, there is something you need to know. You must realize that just 1 to 20% of traders make money, and 80 to 99% of them fail when it comes to trading. Now, I'm only saying this to let you know that cryptocurrency trading is much different from regular retail trading and significantly riskier. Before you are starting out, you need to be aware of the thing I mentioned. Also, for the exchange I have been using, Bitget is my go-to option. Bitget is pretty reliable as it has many events and also bonuses lying around. For example, Bitget has many pairs to which listed on its exchange and has been performing good. Speaking of Bitget futures, they do also offers many advantages such as all-in-one tools for trading, etc. But why really Bitget futures? Here is why. Following the Black Swan events happening at the end of 2022 leaves crypto traders in shambles due to the insecurity of holding the assets on exchanges, but Bitget shines up as the one with transparency. Bitget eagerly disclosed their protected fund wallet to prove their security transparency to traders, so they are feeling safe of holding their tokens there. Speaking of its protected fund wallet, Bitget holds a big amount of $300 million. This actually in order for user fund to be safe and sound. Lastly, Bitget is the only exchange that will maintain contract share growth, which means they are pretty reliable on showing all the transparency. In the next video I will be showing the technical of using Bitget futures and also how to properly use leverage. Thanks for watching. Do not forget subscribe and register to Bitget down below. Alexander signing out.